Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can customize the appearance of an index in Word. When Word creates an index, it applies the default index styles like Index 1, Index 2, and so on. You can change the appearance of these index styles in your document to change the appearance of the text that creates the index. To customize the appearance of an index in Word, click into the index to modify. Then click the Insert Index button in the Index button group on the References tab in the ribbon. Doing that then opens the Index dialog box and displays the Index tab. Since you can only change the appearance of the default index styles for the associated documents template, select the From Template choice from the Formats dropdown towards the bottom of this tab. To change the appearance of the default index styles associated with the template, click the Modify button to view the Style dialog box. In the Style dialog box, click the name of the index style to modify from the styles list. A preview of the font used appears at the bottom of the Style dialog box. Then click the Modify button to the right of the style to open the Modify Style dialog box where you can edit the formatting of the selected index style. In the Modify Style dialog box, make any formatting changes to apply to the selected index style. When finished, click the OK button to return to the Style dialog box. Repeat this process to modify any other necessary index styles. After finishing modifying the index styles, click the OK button to return to the Index dialog box. The changes that you made appear in the Print Preview section at the top of this dialog box. At that point, click the OK button in the Index dialog box to create the index with your custom index styles.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.